Good morning class. Today we are going to start the chapter number 5th, that is Microsoft Word 2010. So let us start with the introduction topic. So, introduction. Microsoft Word is one of the most preferred word processing software around the world. Every moment thousands of Word documents are being prepared. MS Word provides a very simple yet effective platform to create text documents and enhance their style and appearance. So what this particular इंट्रोडक्शन टॉपिक इज ट्राइंग टू से इज़ दैट MS वर्ड जो है वो काफ़ी पॉपुलर है, एक वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर के तौर पे काफ़ी पॉपुलर है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड में. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर word processing software all over the world. Why it is popular means it is in this particular MS Word software, it is very easy to edit the things or edit your matter. It is very easy to edit your matter in this particular MS Word software, and it is the most effective platform to create text documents and enhance their style and appearance. So that's why it is very important, or you can say that it is very important while you are typing anything, or it is the most commonly used text document software around the world. Let us move to the next topic. So let us understand the structure of this MS Word. As you can see in this particular diagram, the first button, it is known as the application button, as it is written over here. This one, as you can see, which is in circle, it is known as the application button. And just beside the application button, there is a small toolbar which is called as quick access toolbar. And this whole thing, as you can see here, this whole thing is known as the tab. And you can see here this one, the arrow mark, it is known as the font color. It is also known as enhanced tooltip. That means with the help of this you can enhance your text document. And these are the groups option. This one is paragraph, center alignment, left alignment, right alignment, justify. All these are present in this particular group option. And this is the ribbon gallery. That means ribbon gallery means what kind of heading would you like to apply, that would you like to apply on the text document heading. And this one is dialog box launcher. This is contextual tab set, and this button is for help. If you need any help, you can press on this button, or you can press the function key, that is F1. So our very first topic of this chapter is Format Painter. So let us understand what is Format Painter. You can find the Format Painter tool in the clipboard group under the Home tab. This feature is used to copy and apply the formatting effects of one part of text to another part. The formatting effects include several types of formatting options such as color, font style and size, border style, etc. So what do you mean by Format Painter? Format Painter means suppose there are two paragraphs, first and second. You have already done the editing on the first paragraph and you want to apply the same editing to the second paragraph. Suppose if you have applied bold, italics, if you have increased the size of the text for the first paragraph, and you have changed the font color, and you have changed the font style, and all those things, you have done the editing only on the first paragraph, and you have to apply the same thing to the second paragraph. So what we have to do, we have to select a very smart option, that is Format Painter option. Instead of editing all those things to the second paragraph, only what we have to do, we have to select only the Format Painter option present on the Home tab. As you can see in this particular diagram, there is a Home tab option. In the Home tab option, on the very left hand side, there is a small option that is known as Format Painter, and the icon of this Format Painter is a painting brush, as you can see here. So let us move to the next topic. So steps to apply Format Painter. So what are the steps to apply Format Painter? Click anywhere on the first paragraph to place the cursor there. Now click on Format Painter under the Home tab, as we have seen in the diagram. The mouse pointer will convert into a brush shape icon. Select the third paragraph or the second paragraph, any paragraph which you want to edit. I have written only the third paragraph here. All the formatting effects of the first paragraph will be copied to the third one. This is what I am trying to explain in the previous slide, that is this one. So I have taken the examples of two paragraphs. So what we have to do, we have to select the first paragraph which is already edited part. जो पहले से ही हमने एडिट करके रखा है, हमें उस पैराग्राफ को सेलेक्ट करना है. सेलेक्ट करने के बाद हमको फॉर्मेट पेंटर के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करना है, विच इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन द होम टैब. उस बटन पे क्लिक करने के बाद जिस भी पैराग्राफ को, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ को छोड़ के सेकेंड या थर्ड या फोर्थ या फिफ्थ जितने पैराग्राफ आपके पास हैं, उनमें से जिस भी पैराग्राफ को आपको सेम एडिटिंग अप्लाई करना है जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में हमने अप्लाई किया है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उस पैराग्राफ को हम सेलेक्ट करेंगे, सेलेक्ट करके बटन को छोड़ देंगे. दैट मीन्स द फॉर्मेटेड पार्ट ऑफ द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ विल ऑटोमेटिकली बी अप्लाइड और कॉपीड टू द second, third or fourth paragraph, whatever paragraph you want to apply it. As you can see here, the picture representation of format painter. This was the first paragraph, edited one. ये वाला एडिटेड नहीं था. हम लोगों ने क्या किया, इसको सेलेक्ट किया. सेलेक्ट करने के बाद फॉर्मेट पेंटर पे हमने क्लिक किया. वहाँ पे क्लिक करने के बाद हमने सेकेंड पैराग्राफ को सेलेक्ट कर लिया और बटन को छोड़ दिया. उससे क्या हो गया, द होल एडिटेड पार्ट is converted into, the whole non-edited part is converted into the edited part. That means जो भी इस पे था वो सबका सब आपका सेकेंड और थर्ड पैराग्राफ पे कॉपी हो गया. In this way you can apply format painter in your text document. So the next topic is footnotes. So let us understand what are footnotes. Footnotes are notes placed at the bottom of a page. They are used in such a way that the reader can relate the text or word to the supplement information. Footnotes are placed to provide additional information about a certain term, phrase or sentence mentioned in the page. If there is a difficult word whose meaning you want to include at the bottom of the page, or there is a fact whose link you wish to provide, in this case footnotes are very useful. So let us understand in a general way what are footnotes. फुटनोट्स वो नोट्स होते हैं जो आप समझते हैं कि आपके तरफ से वो ज़रूरी हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इफ़ यू आर रीडिंग ए नावल, आप एक नावल पढ़ रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ ऐसे इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स आते हैं जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ, दिस वर्ड्स कैन बी यूज्ड फर्दर इन द दिस वर्ड्स कैन बी यूज्ड फर्दर इन द लाइफ. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू जस्ट नोट डाउन दैट वर्ड्स ऑन ए रफ पेज और ऑन ए डायरी. उसे कहते हैं फूट नोट्स. आप उसे क्यों नोट डाउन करते हैं, क्यों, क्योंकि वो इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स है. लाइकवाइज इन MS Word, इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग ए टेक्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट, if you are creating your own document, while creating the document you find out that these are few particular words which are very important for the readers to understand. So you will write down at the bottom of the page. उससे हम क्या करते हैं, पेज के सबसे नीचे उसे मेंशन कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, हमने एक देखा CPU. CPU एक इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है, तो हमने उसके पेज के नीचे लिख दिया CPU और उसका फुल फॉर्म वहाँ पे लिख दिया, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. तो ये काम होता है फूट नोट्स का. So next topic is header and footer. As the name imply itself, header means head and footer means foot. तो हम इसे पढ़ते हैं, समझते हैं header and footer क्या है. Header means some additional information which is inserted at the top of every page in the document. We can remember header by the term head, which means at the top. Footer means the information that you want to give at the bottom of every page in the document. Footer can be remembered by the name foot, which signifies at the bottom. The text heading, chapter number and date are some of the details that can be put on the header. The footer can include things like name of the writer, roll number, page number, etc. As you can see in this diagram, it is header, footer and page number. So let us understand what is mean by header and footer. Header वो चीज़ है जो हमें टेक्स्ट बुक, हम सबके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है, आप सबके पास टेक्स्ट बुक्स हैं. उस टेक्स्ट बुक्स में आप ऊपर देखते होंगे चैप्टर का नाम लिखा है, चैप्टर नंबर लिखा है. दैट मीन्स दैट इज़ द हेडर पार्ट जो आप सबसे ऊपर मेंशन करना चाहते हैं. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज द हेडर. द थिंग विच यू ऑलवेज वांट टू मेंशन एट द टॉप ऑफ द पेज, दैट इज़ नोन एज द हेडर. एंड द फूटर मीन्स आप देखते होंगे आपके उसी पेज पे नीचे वहाँ पेज नंबर लिखा रहता है, पेज नंबर 1, पेज नंबर 2, पेज नंबर 3 एंड सो ऑन. दैट मीन्स page number should be mentioned at the bottom of the page or at the footer part of the page. That's why it is written on the footer and it is known as the footer. As you can see, diagram representation of this particular header, footer and page numbers. So now let us understand how to work on header. First point is click on insert tab because header and footer is present on which tab, that is insert tab. This question may arise in the exam as a fill in the blanks, that header and footer is present on which tab, or header and footer is present on dash tab, and you have to fill with the option right. The right answer is insert tab. Second point, under the header and footer of header will appear, click on header option. पहले हम इंसर्ट टैब पे क्लिक करेंगे, वहाँ पे हेडर फूटर का ऑप्शन आएगा, हम वहाँ पे तीन ऑप्शन रहेंगे आपके पास, हेडर फूटर और पेज नंबर. हमें किस पे क्लिक करना है, हेडर पे. ए लिस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स ऑफ हेडर विल अपीयर एज यू कैन सी इन दिस डायग्राम. कई सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लिस्ट है हेडर के, इसमें से जो भी आपको पसंद है आप उस पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट ऑप्शन विल, ऊपर एक ऑप्शन शो करेगा कि टाइप योर मैटर or type your text. So you have to type the text whichever or whatever the text that has to be represented at the top of the page. In this way you can work on the header. So let us continue with this. An additional design tab appear on the tab section under the header and footer tools. It has many tools like inserting date and time, picture, clip art, etc. on the header. Let's click on date and time. The dialog box opens up. Select any format of date and time that you wish to insert and click OK. So as after clicking on the header option, you will get an additional design tab option on the top. With that option you can add many other things to the header as well as on the footer, such as date and time, pictures, clip arts, any image from the clip arts. All those things can be added at the header point. So next topic is how to work on footer. So let us understand this. First point, click on footer from the header and footer group. Same, again we have to click on insert tab option. On the insert tab option there will be option of header and footer, then we have to click on that. There will be three option, header, footer and page number. So first we have seen the header, now we have to click on the footer option. So first point is clear. Second one, select edit footer from the list of option. That, as you can see in this diagram, the last option is edit footer. A footer will apply at the bottom of the page with space for typing. इसका मतलब क्या है, फूटर आपके पेज के नीचे सबसे बॉटम पे आके अप्लाई हो जाएगा, यानी लग जाएगा वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे कुछ जगह मिलेगा आपको टाइप करने के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल पेज नंबर और एनीथिंग. सो नेक्स्ट इज हाउ टू इंसर्ट पेज नंबर. अब हम पेज नंबर कैसे इंसर्ट करेंगे, लेट अस सी. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्लिक ऑन पेज नंबर अंडर द डिजाइन टैब. Select bottom of page and then select the format that suits you best. This is the picture of footer. From this particular options we have to select the type of footer which you want to insert at the bottom. Suppose I have selected this one. So after selecting, it will show like this at the bottom of the page. Type text, page number 1. Suppose if you want to type text here, यहाँ पे आपको कोई text type करना है, for suppose ABC, or if you want to type your school name such as SPS, you can type here and the page number will automatically display, that is page 1. So like this it will continue, keep on going for the other pages. The text will be same, that is SPS and SPS or any other name which you want to type here, and the page number will keep on increasing. Suppose page number 1, if you go for the next page, that will represent page number 2 and so on.